Welcome to another how-to video. Our topic for today is all about troubleshooting Pokemon Unite login problem. I just want to say that before we continue, make sure that your Pokemon Unite is synced with any account like Facebook, Google, or Nintendo, which is very much needed in the video. All you need to do is go to home screen and hold the Pokemon Unite app. If the options appear, click App Info. While you are in App Info, click Storage. While you are in Storage, click Clear Storage. Click OK if they ask permission, and the game storage data will be cleared. After that, go to Pokemon Unite again and sync your account that has progress, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.